Hey everybody, Dom here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to cut a pear. Now, you may be thinking, what? What are you talking about? Literally, no, this is not some weird troll. I have a pear right here. We're gonna cut it. Now, some backstory as to why I'm doing this, because this is like a gaming YouTube channel and why I'm showing you how to cut a pear. That's kind of a mishmash, doesn't really make sense. So, the other day I was at my friend's house. This guy, pretty smart guy, has like a master's degree in computer science. He's one of the smartest people I probably know, like just underneath, like, I don't know, university professors, I suppose. So, smart guy, doesn't know how to cut pears. So I'm at his house, he's making a smoothie, and what he's doing is he's taking a pear, putting it down, and cutting it, just cutting it from top to bottom, and then, to take pieces, to put it in a smoothie, he's taking a knife and cutting off slabs of it. That was just too far. That triggered me. That made me like, oh my god, time out, mon ami, time out, my friend. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna teach you how to cut pears, because geez, that's like horrible. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hello? Me to you right now? Me to you? Whoever's watching this right now? Don't cut pears like that. Doesn't make sense. So here we are in this day and age. A couple days later, and here I am, keeping up my vow to make a video to explain how to cut a pear. So let's cut this pear. First step, wash the pear. This pear is already washed. I just did it off screen. Second step, get a knife. Ideally, you want a paring knife. Notice how it has the words pear in it? Pear, paring. Oh my god. Okay, those are probably not related. Linguistics, how does that work? No one knows. Alternatively, just use a knife that's similar in nature. Not like, ideally you want like a little bit of like ribbing to it. Like, not like just a flat nothingness knife. That's not really a word either. Just a sharp, you want the little bit of a whatever. The word escapes me right now. Such is life sometimes. But anyways, let's proceed forward and cut this pear. Alright, pretty straightforward. Either cut from the bottom or the top. This is like not a very ripe pear, so bad example, but it's just going to be a little harder for me than I imagine it will be for you. Take the pear, cut it from the top or the bottom, doesn't matter which, and just go all the way through. Pretty straightforward. So I cut it kind of diagonally. It's unfortunate, but it's okay. And now we have two parts, two halves. Now simply just do that again for the other parts. So then you have into quarters. There we go. Quarters. Second step. Ideally, you don't want to eat like the inside where like the seeds and stuff are, right? Makes sense. So you go either from the top or the bottom. Just go like that. Then go like this inwards, the part where it has seeds, and then go upwards again. Bam. Took like 1 second. And now all there is the skin and the inside part that you want to eat. So just do that for all four. You could watch me do that, but it's kind of pointless. Just do that for all four. Same steps, same maneuvers. Maybe a little more difficult for the one with the stem. It's okay, though. I assure you that you're probably capable of doing this. Yeah. Next step, take away the skin. Or you can eat skin. I hear it has pretty good vitamins and stuff in it. Just hearsay. Don't know. Don't know if it's true, but I'm pretty sure it's good for you. Alright, so we're going to cut off the skin. Pretty straightforward. Just go forth and cut off the skin. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. That's not really a song. Previously, the song I hummed like moments ago was from Mario. That one, not so much. That was just made up on the spot. Anyways, so I'm cutting it. I mean, there's not much to say, not much to do. And there we go. A pear with no skin. See how little time that took? How easy it was? Compared to a method of like taking a pear, cutting off the skin, and then chopping away at it to get pieces off of it so you can put it in your smoothie. That's horrible. Don't do that, my friend. Don't do that. Do this. This is better. I wonder if people are like scared. You people watching, you're like, man, this guy flinging around a knife like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't worry. I'm not going to hurt myself with a knife. It's never happened in the past, so far at least. And here we are. Have a pear. Kind of not ripe yet, but what are you going to do? Nom, nom, nom. Delicious pear. So thanks for watching. This was a video to explain how to cut a pear. Sorry, I can't laugh and eat at the same time. I can't laugh and eat at the same time. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned the processes involved to cut a pear. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. Wait a second. Hold on a moment. Wait right there. Wait. I forgot to mention something. Okay, so first off, just like I had to cut 2 pears in total because I had an off-screen take that didn't really make into this video. So I have like loads of slices of pears here. Secondly, the thing I want to mention, I forgot to mention. Ideally, you cut towards you for safety. Like, okay, imagine cutting away from you. You have to like hold it in weird ways. They're just not as good. Ideally, cut towards you. Cut towards you. You have your thumb to help you out. And to make it so you could cut correctly. And have dexterity to do this sort of thing. And as well as peel. Peel towards you. Towards you. And you have your thumb to guide it. Towards you. If you do it away from you, bam, there goes your fingers. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Rip fingers. Anyways, back... Whatever, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. Delicious.